What's up, everybody? It's your homie Sergio here, aka Swaggy. So, today I started this unboxing a little while ago, but I kind of fucked it up because my camera fell off my tripod. So, I'm just going to do it like this with one hand. So, here's the box itself. Let's take a nice little peek at it. So, this is the Black Widow Ultimate version 2014. And then right here we have our writing. An all new mechanical keyboard, all this stuff, you guys can read it. Cause I don't feel like it, cause right now I'm pissed I dropped my camera. Here's the little side panel where I opened it from. Let's focus that. Swag. This is the new Razer switches, which are on the keyboard. Pretty sick. Alright. So now let's get towards the back. It just talks about how the keyboard has the new switches. All that good schnish. So I love Razer. I don't know if you guys noticed. My setup is pretty much Razer products. So in the packaging, in this little flipper-doodle, we have our stickers, authenticity. Then we have our booklet for the keyboard itself. Sure, telling you how one hand. Sure, telling you how to use this and shit. Synapse 2.0, good. And we get an important products information. Alright then. So this all was right here. This little thingy like that. And then you kind of like fold it. And you fold this. And then I'm sort of a new freak, so let me put this back where it was. Give me one. Give me 1 second, guys. I promise. Alrighty then. Alright. So there it is. Put it back in the packaging. So now let's get to the keyboard itself. I'm gonna lift this little, yes. Move the box over here. Everything's still inside there. Cables wise, let me organize this in a way you can see. So this is in an all freaking thick ass braided cable, which I love. And here's the keyboard. So we get 10 M keys for, you know, those MMO games. Whew. I love that clicky noise. Sorry about that. I got so into it. Alright. Anyways, back to the keyboard. We have a full 10 key rollover, which means that there's with anti-ghosting, meaning that I could be spamming W for running on Minecraft while pressing F, and it'll register both of them like instantaneously when they're pressed. So because on normal membrane keyboards you can be spamming W and it'll get like 5 out of those 10 clicks, where this one will get every single click, even if you're pressing all the keys at the same time. All of them get registered. So that's pretty epic, making gaming easier, I guess you can say. So what's different from this one, from the 2013 version, is that it has a little Windows 8 button now instead of the Windows 7. We have our standard gaming F buttons, which when pressing, which one is it? Oh, right here. When pressing FN, this one right here, it activates your normal keys, which is next, play, pause, volume, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing really exciting about this. It's a keyboard. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Like that, like boop, 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 boop. Alright. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.